Autodesk provides you with a cloud-based storage and collaboration tool called Autodesk 360. You may have already heard of the cloud. It's an online tool that allows you to collaborate and utilizes tools that allow you to talk to other Autodesk users, link your drawings to other people, allow other people to view your drawings and redline your drawings, and discuss your drawings as well. So this collaboration tool, Autodesk 360, is actually available through your AutoCAD Electrical 2015. You'll notice I've clicked here on Autodesk 360 on the tab, and there's all my Autodesk 360 settings. Now I can't use those yet because I'm not actually logged into Autodesk 360 online. Obviously you need an internet connection or a Wi-Fi connection, or maybe just a 3G or 4G connection if you're using a smartphone or perhaps a tablet device. So I sign in up here on the info bar. There's Autodesk 360 there. I click there and I sign in. Now, if you haven't got an Autodesk ID to sign in with, you can click on this link here, need an Autodesk ID. Set it all up. You can then set all of your Autodesk 360 settings and utilize them through AutoCAD Electrical. Now I'm going to put my ID in there, which is my company name. Put the password in, again like so, and I just click on sign in. Now that'll sign me in. AutoCAD Electrical says sign in complete. I can update my profile and preferences. So there's my photograph, my email address, my ID. I can edit my profile or change my password. There are obviously all these tools available here. I can share a document, open the local sync folder. As soon as you set up Autodesk 360, it puts a local synchronization folder within your computer itself. So if you put a file into that sync folder, it will synchronize that particular drawing in that folder to your online cloud Autodesk 360 account as well. I can open Autodesk 360 in a browser if I want to, synchronize my settings, choose my settings. There's also an AutoCAD 360 available on the web. You can open that in a browser, on a smartphone, or on a tablet, such as an iPad or an Android tablet. You can also utilize the design feed palette. What that allows you to do in a social sense is add status updates to your drawings as you work on them. A bit like you would on Facebook or Twitter, you can update these little statuses anytime you want to, and it will automatically date them, time them, and number them for you so that you can basically create a revision audit trail. Now, I'm already signed into CAD FM Consultants, and what I can do is I can sync my settings with the cloud if I want to. I'm not going to because that takes a long time. All you'll be doing is watching the little Windows arrow symbol go round and round, which is the last thing we want for this course. Obviously, away from the course, you can go and synchronize them all, get them all working the way that you want to. One of the other tools you've got there is your online options. So if I go in there like that, I can set all of my online options in the AutoCAD Electrical Options dialog box. So if I go here, look, you've got things like Files, Display, Open, Save. You recognize those from earlier videos. If you go right along to the tab at the end, Online, you can set all of your Autodesk 360 settings, enabling things like automatic synchronization to your Autodesk 360 folder, synchronize your settings with the cloud, keep all your settings synced, and so on. Notice there, you can open your Autodesk 360 documents list and folders in a browser. Now, I'm not going to do that, but you could if you wanted to. So that's where you change your settings. The other thing it tells me that's really useful is that I'm using 29.7 megabytes of my 5 gigabytes available. You get 5 gigabytes free of charge on Autodesk 360. If you want to go higher and utilize more storage, you have to pay for it. Standard with most cloud sort of repositories and storage plans that you can get. You have to go pro to get more space. Also, if you're an Autodesk subscription customer, you can get more space and more tools in Autodesk 360 as well. So I'll just cancel that now, and then what I'll do is I can sign out very, very easily. Click on the flyout, click on sign out, and you'll see there that I'm now signed out of Autodesk 360. It's a very useful tool for collaborating with other project team members, clients, contractors, third-party people working on jobs that you're working on. So make sure you get yourself signed up to Autodesk 360, get your Autodesk ID, and get that free 5 gigabytes of storage space. It's always useful, and it's great to be mobile because you can log in using a tablet or a phone and check your drawings that way too.